Welcome to Ernesto Auto Body Repair Solutions and Repair Corp, home of high quality and cost-effective mechanics and auto body services. For 55 years, we have been the leading mechanics and auto body service providers of Lynn, Massachusetts. We offer the services of auto repair services, transmission rebuild, suspension and brake services, paint and refinishing, electrical services, tire balancing, and more. For more information about our company, visit our website at Ernesto Auto Body Repair Solutions and RepairCorp.com. For the latest offers and promotions, follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and YouTube. Call 781-477-1806 or 781-983-4607 for a free estimate on your mechanics or auto body maintenance. Ernesto Auto Body Repair Solutions and Repair Corp. Save time and money.